everybody, welcome to the Printables Pinning Academy sales page. I'm Becky Beach. I'm going to be your teacher throughout this amazing course. I currently get several thousands of page views to my blog and printables from Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing way to grow your printables and blog. It's just awesome, and I teach you a step-by-step way to get your printables in shop right on Pinterest and also your blog too. And it's a very step-by-step course for beginners and also advanced users alike. I also teach Tailwind on how to schedule with Tailwind and also how to schedule on Pinterest if you're just too busy to post. Because if you're working like a 9-to-5 job and you just don't have the time during the day to post on Pinterest, then you can schedule it using Tailwind or even Pinterest itself. So I go through that in the course too. And let's see what else we have in the course. Let me go and share my screen. So here's the Pinterest Pinning Academy. So first, there's the welcome, and I give you the course slides so you can follow along. The course slides are very detailed. And then Module 1 is what is Pinterest and why use it. And then I teach you how to set up your own Pinterest business account and connect your store. I teach you how to connect a Shopify store and an Etsy shop and also your blog. And how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva, and also give you free Pinterest pins. So you get like 2 Pinterest pin sets with 5 each and plus 5 video pins. And also talk about idea pins and video pins too. And this is how to do keyword research. I teach how to do keyword research using Pinterest itself, Google, SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Keywords Anywhere. And I teach you how to pin to Pinterest the right way, because it could be kind of confusing about how to pin to Pinterest. And this is how to pin to Pinterest directly from Etsy. So this is how to use Pinterest and Tailwind for scheduling. It's like really easy to use. And this is pinning strategies that really work. I give you all my strategies that have enabled me to get thousands of page views every single month. And I'll continue to update my strategy. If I figure out something that works better, I'll list it down below the video or record a new video to keep this course updated. It's probably the most updated Pinterest course you'll find. Then we got bonuses. We got commercial use, PLR, Canva template, and video training on how to edit a PLR commercial use template. And also $50 for another of my courses. And then you can also get all my courses for $29 a month with my membership. My membership is at businessbeachclub.com if you want to learn more about that. Or you can sign up for my affiliate program and earn 40% of profits. Just let me know if you're interested in signing up to the affiliate program for this course. Just email me at becky@plrbeach.com. And also email me if you have any more questions. So again, my email is becky@plrbeach.com. Well, thank you very much. Have a great day. Goodbye.